Hey guys, it's Erica, and recently I just bought some plants off of Etsy, so this is supposed to be an unboxing video. There was a little bit of confusion on my part over here. So I ordered 2 Monstera siltepecanas and then 1 Raven ZZ plant. On Friday, my Monstera siltepecanas came, and I kind of thought that it was only 1 plant, but it was 2 plants in the same little package. Here's the video of that. Hey guys, it's Erica, and I'm super excited right now because I just got a package and it's plant mail. I have my box cutter so I can open this before your very eyes. And I hope the plants don't fall out, but I don't think that they will. Okay, here's the invoice. We're gonna put that to the side over there. Oh my gosh! Okay, so here's one, I guess. They're coming in multiple packages. So that one, so this one's the first one that's here. And I'm gonna open it right now. I don't know when I'm gonna open my other ones. I don't know when they're coming. I usually like to kind of not check when the packages are supposed to come, so I could be like surprised by it being at my door. But yeah, let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, you guys! Look at it! Wow, this looks a lot like a Cebu Blue. This looks a lot like a Cebu Blue, but it's a Monstera siltepecana. I think this plant is so beautiful. Like, I think that a Cebu Blue is beautiful, and this looks a lot like that, but I'm so excited to add another Monstera to my collection. So this is just one of the plants, and it's looking alright. It's a little scraggly up here, but that's okay. So this one I ordered rooted, and then I guess in the next box my other one's coming, and that one's not rooted yet, so I'll keep you guys updated on those roots. But yeah, right now I'm so excited about this, and I'm gonna also have another video where I pot this plant. Oh my gosh, I love it! Isn't it so crazy how you just open a box and your plant's in there and you just suddenly love it? Okay, I can't stop smiling. I'm gonna go to work and all I'm gonna be thinking about is this plant and how is it doing? Here it is, my first plant, a Monstera siltepecana. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but there it is. Okay, so as you can see, I thought that that was only one of them, and because I looked on Etsy, it said that 2 were coming in 1 package and then another one was being separate. So I thought that this one, that package was the separate plant, and then the other Monstera siltepecana would have came with the Raven ZZ plant. And then on Monday, my Raven ZZ plant came, and I was a little bit confused of why there was no Monstera siltepecana with it. So here's the clip of that. Alright you guys, I just got my other package in the mail, and so for continuity I just put on the same shirt, but today's Monday and the last package came on Friday, so hopefully this has the other 2 plants that I ordered inside of it. Let's just see. I've been waiting for this plant. Okay, here it is. I don't know if this is going to be both the plants that I ordered, but we'll see. I think it's just 1 plant. Very damp. It's my Raven ZZ. It doesn't look like he's doing too good. It's got this little leaf falling. But ZZ plants are supposed to be hardy, so I think he'll perk up. This leaf is definitely a goner. I think it was in the mail for too long because I think it should have got here yesterday, but yesterday was Sunday, so there wasn't any mail. And he's got a little baby coming out. He does not look like he's doing too good right now, but hopefully once I pot it up, it'll be doing better. Okay, so I have my other plant, my Monstera siltepecana, and I have this Raven ZZ plant, which is just a dark colored ZZ plant. I'm excited to pot them up so they can get better because this one looks like it is struggling right now. This leaf is done. Rest in peace, little leaf. Oh no, now this whole entire stem doesn't have any leaves. Do you think it'll do okay? It should be fine, right? It should get better. I think this needs to be potted. Let me look at its roots. So I still have another plant coming in the mail. It's another Monstera siltepecana, but that one doesn't have any roots, so that one's not going to be a rooted plant. The other one that I bought was rooted though. Oh, this feels definitely like it has dried up. Here are its roots. I don't think these roots look good at all. They're very mushy. A lot of these roots just fell off right now. This root's okay on this plant, the big root. Some of these are kind of a little bit rotted. This one thankfully has a baby coming out, but the little bulb that I was growing from is like deflated and it lost its only leaf. And this one is getting a little mushy, so I'm kind of worried about that. Over here, oh, these definitely were sitting in there for too long. I'm gonna need to repot these fast. So here's their 3 ones. They all have their little root systems that will hopefully recover. Oh, this one has a little baby growing off of it too. So hopefully they will recover. See, this one here is how the other roots should look. It's not limp like this. So I don't know if I should cut them off. I think I'm not gonna cut them off and I'm just gonna pot them like this, and hopefully they can recover because this plant is so gorgeous and ZZ plants should be hardy, so I'm hoping that this one will be hardy also. I'm definitely gonna repot this like right now. This needs to be repotted. It's just in desperate need of help. Alright, so we're just waiting for my other Monstera siltepecana. I kind of wish that they all came at the same time, even if it meant waiting to get the package a little later. Yeah, it was definitely sitting there in its package for a whole entire day because Sundays they don't deliver mail, so it was just waiting for Monday to come around and get to me. The other one, the Monstera siltepecana, looked good, so hopefully the other one comes soon. I'm not sure what date it's supposed to come. Like I said, I don't like checking, but it should come soon, and then I can just put that one in water and let it root. Okay, and then how I found out that 2 plants, both of my Monsteras came together, is that I wanted to film my potting video right away because I was really worried about my ZZ plant, because as you saw, the roots weren't doing too good and it really stressed me out, so I just wanted to pot it up right away. And that's when I unwrapped my Monstera and I figured out, oh my gosh, even in that video I was confused about why one of them didn't have roots and why one of them did. This one definitely needs to be placed in water and it needs to be rooted better. And then later that night is when I finally realized that, oh, those 2 plants came together. So yeah, that was all mistakes on my part. But anyways, I have all my plants here. Here is my rooted Monstera, and I know that it seems like it's in a big pot for its size, but I'm gonna be very careful about the watering because right now I think this is the smallest pot that I have, so this is where he's going. It's been doing great so far. I've had it since Friday and today's Wednesday, so that's been like 5 days. So it's doing really great and I'm super happy with it. It has a new leaf coming in. Gorgeous. Okay. And then here is the other Monstera that needed to be rooted in water. This one is doing great as well. It has a little root coming in right there. There's its little root. So I'm very happy about that. It's gonna be so beautiful when it can finally be planted with his brother. Here's my Raven ZZ plant, which does not look like it's doing good at all. I recently did a cutting of my let me go get it actually. Okay, so here's my ZZ plant I took a cutting of, and this is the stem that was left over, and as you can see it's pretty much just a dry stick now. So that one didn't have any leaves and I cut it, and I think that that's how this one stem is gonna turn out, because so far it looks like it's withering away, and the little baby down here does not look like it's doing good either. I'm just really extremely worried about this plant. I don't know what to do about it, because I don't think that putting it in water would help it at all. I don't think that putting it in water would help it root better at all, because of the rhizomes, which on this plant have been deflated, and I think there was only one left. I put it in cacti soil with a little bit of perlite, but if you have any recommendation on how to help this plant, that would be super great, because I really don't want it to die. So let's just go over how much this all costed. This Raven ZZ was a fully rooted small cluster, and it was $29.99, so it was like $30 for this, and his little roots are doing horrible, so its roots were all mushy when it got to me. Right here, my rooted Monstera siltepecana was $24.99, so like $25, which it's doing great. I'm really happy about it. It was worth it in my heart. This is the that's a really long, this is just a 2 to 3 leaf cutting. It has 4 leaves, which is great, and it was $14.99, so it was $10 less than the already rooted one. Sorry, I have it in here with my Brazil. In total, that was $69.97, and shipping was $21.28, but then she took off like $7 or something because I was charged too much for shipping. So the whole entire thing was $91.25 minus whatever shipping she took off. I'm pretty happy with my 2 Monsteras. I can't wait till they get so big and beautiful. But the only thing I'm super worried about this Raven ZZ. One time I saw one in a nursery, and that one was like $60. This one was like literally half the price, but at what cost? A dead plant. Or hopefully it doesn't die. I hope it revives. Please, 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 please leave in the comments how to take care of this plant. If you tell me to take it out of this pot and rinse off its roots and put it in water, I will do that. I just really want this plant to be saved, because Raven ZZs are so beautiful, and that's why I ordered it. Well, sorry this unboxing was kind of a fail, kind of really all over the place. I don't know if I'm still gonna post the potting video, because I don't know, they're all potted here as you saw. Yeah, here are my plants. Wow, balance. Like I said, don't forget to leave a comment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, bye.